everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. Hi guys! Oh my goodness, happy Friday. I hope you guys had a really good week. I had a crazy stressful week. Crazy stressful. This week has been... It's testing my patience. Let's put it that way. Let's put it that way that this week, yeah. So I hope my weekend is better. So guys, on Wednesday, I came home early and I finally finished decorating my front porch. And it came out so cute. And I thought, oh, I have to share with my girls. And it was such a beautiful day. And then guess what? Thursday morning, Wednesday night, Thursday morning, it snowed. Do you believe it? It snowed. It didn't last long on the ground. And then today has just been beautiful again. I think it's like in the 60s. So that's okay. That's fine. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. I really wanted to put out a video for you guys because I really missed you on Wednesday. So let's go. I'm going to show you what I did on Wednesday when I filmed it. It's so cute. I think it looks so cute. And also, if you're new, sorry, I'm trying to catch my breath. If you're new to my channel and you haven't seen any of the DIYs that I did, I am gonna link up above my completely all Dollar Tree wreath that I made that I absolutely love. And so if you're new and you happen to stumble by and see that, and then you can link up to that or down below or wherever. Okay, I'm babbling. Okay, let's get into the video. Hey everybody, let me show you my outdoor porch decor. I absolutely love it. It's early evening here. Just got home from a crazy day of work. So I'm filming because I hear it might snow tomorrow. Yeah, that's right, snow. Can you believe it? Snow. Okay guys, let me show you this. You'll see my shadow. This outdoor floor mat, if anybody is interested, it's from the Christmas tree shops. Guys, these are only $6.99 regular price. And this is the third one I bought. I bought one in the fall, and I bought one at Christmas. And then now I bought this one for the spring. And I love them. Love them. And they're great quality. You can see my shadow. Okay, so there's a really good look of it. And then, guys, I'm going to show you this because this is what I'm really most proud of. Now, this is Canada, so let's keep that in mind. No flowers are going to grow here for, a good maybe 2 more months. So this is all Dollar Tree. This is, the entire thing is Dollar Tree. I had this urn. I've had it for a long time. I think I got it at Home Depot or Lowe's or one of those stores. I used these spider plants from Dollar Tree, and there's 4 in there. So I used 4 of the spider plants from Dollar Tree, and then 2 bushels of this peony, and they're obviously $1. And then the Dollar Tree little sign that says spring on it. Let me just move it over, and you all have seen that. And then behind there, I used 3 of these bluey purple flowers just to give it height. And then 2 of these little egg picks. And that's all I did, really. I just left the dirt in there because come summer, I will have real flowers in there. And then on this side, I made this welcome sign from like an old piece of wood that I had a long time ago. And then I brought my little bunny planter out and I just placed him on this little table. Now, look, this is only from one winter. It like completely rusted it out and everything. And I knew I should have brought that little table in, but I didn't. Okay, I'm going to show you. and for those of you that are new and have never seen this before, this is the wreath I made, my outdoor Easter wreath I made, using all Dollar Tree flowers, except for the ribbon. That's from Michael's, and these little egg picks. They're the same picks that are in the planter, and those are from the dollar store. And then the little tag, if you see that little Easter tag there, that is from Walmart. And then that's it. I want to give you a look of what we see. This is what I see when I look out my front door, and not one person has any Easter decor up or anything. Don't mind my blue boxes. Oh look, the birds are out, so there you go. And here's Miss Mia. And there's Miss Mia. I just wanted you guys to see her. Mia, say hi, babies. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, because the more thumbs up we get, the better my channel does. And in saying that, now I should have said this at the beginning of the video, but I forgot. I want to say thank you to my subscribers. I love you from the bottom of my heart. So many of you left me such amazing comments about what I said about the Lord. And it just warms my heart even more that my subscribers shared my faith. It made my heart sing. I was so happy. When I was replying back to the comments, guys, you think I'm smiling now? I was smiling even bigger because I thought, yes, I knew it. I knew my subscribers shared in my faith, but I wasn't sure. And I was so worried that I would offend someone because, oh my God, people just go crazy. I don't know why. But thank you so much, you guys. Thank you. I love you. I love you so very much. Okay, that is enough of me talking and babbling. I hope you have a fantastic weekend with your friends and family. I hope you do something wonderful. Is it Palm Sunday? No. Yes, it's Palm Sunday. Oh my goodness. It's Palm Sunday. Okay. It's a blonde moment. Listen, I've been really stressed out. Like really stressed out. But it's Palm Sunday. So have a beautiful Palm Sunday. And rejoice and all. And I will see you on Monday. Have a beautiful weekend. And I love you all. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. See you Monday.